So in Georgia, assets accumulated during a marriage are divided on the principle of equitable division. Now, equitable does not necessarily mean equal. It means fair. Most people think equitable means equal. And the truth of the matter is, most of the time, the starting line is down the middle, is 50-50. But then the court will look to see if there's any reason to deviate toward one party or the other. And of course, you and your attorney, if you're represented, which by the way, you should be, we'll get to that later, you'll probably want to get more than half. And of course, they'll probably want to get more than half. So in determining whether or not the division of assets should be 50-50, each getting half, some of the factors that can be considered are what were the contributions of each party to the marriage. Now, there's financial contributions and then there's non-financial contributions. Let me give you an example. You have one spouse who's working and the other spouse is home taking care of the children. So the spouse who's working obviously is making the financial contributions to the marriage and to the 401k accounts and to the investment accounts and that kind of thing. The one who's not working, they're also making a significant contribution, especially if they're staying at home, raising the children, looking after them, getting them here, there, and everywhere. And in particular, did they give up a career to be able to be a stay-at-home parent? So in calculating the division of assets, sometimes the party who was out making the money, bringing in the money, whose name most of the assets might be under, would think, well, I contributed more to the marriage. I should be getting more of the assets in the settlement. But that's not necessarily always the way that the court's going to look at it. The court wants to take a balanced approach, make sure that everyone is treated fairly, hence the term equitable division.